Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to a 118 scale video. And today we have this American Muscle on Authentics. I think that's the company. I'm not fully sure. I don't have any models. I think if other from this style packaging. This is the 1966 Chevy Chevelle SS396. So as you can see, the box is in a very bad shape, but this is I personally got it like this, but the only issue from that's in my possession has showed up is this plastic has fallen in. It's not sitting on the car, so anything, that's not an issue. As you can see, everything will open on this particular model. The only thing that I personally not a big fan of is those wheels, but I believe that it came stock with them, so in real life, so nothing really I can say about that. Not like if I would have to swap them out, I would have to swap out the entire wheels and find the right shapes and everything. I really don't think I want to do that. Let's see if I can get the car without pulling it out of the with the plastic, because the plastic is really finicky. It doesn't really want to come out. I only tried before the video. Yeah, it really doesn't want to come out. So let's hope that the car comes out without issues. Nope, I don't want to break the back wheels off. So let me pause the video and see what I can do here. Okay, got it out. Gave it a little shine up as much as I could. Well, here's the model. So it's not the biggest one. This Chevelle was a bit smaller than the ones that were really long, like the ones in Supernatural. So that was like a 4-door, and then there was a 2-door, and then they made this one, which is a little bit more compact. So the front is different, hood is different, the roof is shorter, and the back is shorter. So it's all more squished together. Why I was scared to pull this one out of the box like I was previously, because this thing has rear suspension, no front suspension, only back ones. And as I was pulling it out, it was pushing the wheel backwards. And as you can see, there's some parts here that have now loosened up because of that issue. So I'll have to see if I can fix it on camera. Ooh, something fell out of the car. Okay, let me quickly fix this. So multiple issues here. I think it's mostly to do the, like I said, I've been traveling a lot, and some of these cars, even in package, are getting damaged. So that is annoying me now. Well, I'll keep going with the video, and I'll tell you where is the issue showed up. So this was fixed. So like I said, because I was pulling it out, it was pushing backwards, so that slid out, as you can see, and because it's supposed to go like this, but it moved outwards. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that, so loose right there. Probably not. But yeah, because you see the drive shaft moves when you move the wheels. That's why it's a loose piece. Yeah, you got exhaust systems and everything. Everything is fully detailed underneath here. As you can see, sway bars, steering system, and everything. Engine, gearbox. Yeah, the chairs do fold. Let's have a full look around the car. You got your detailed first run. You got the SS336 on the front. There's your back, looking all nice. Let's have a look in the trunk. Your basic plastic piece in the innard. You got a rubber tire for the back. The doors do open very easily without any issues. We do have this textured carpet inside, as you can see. You might notice the issue instantly, you might not. So wait, was that supposed to be downwards? Okay, so the sun visors also, they fold and unfold. I just folded one in. If you noticed it, it was down So I can see folded seats, but the issue that I stumbled upon, which luckily actually fell out while I was filming, because I would have probably not noticed if I had done something else, is, as you can see, the safety belts, they don't have those connectors, and the connectors are right here. They're very tiny, so they're basically unglued, and both of them unglued, which is interesting. So I'll have to fix that after the filming. Of course, there's nothing I can do here. They will need to be glued back in. So there you have it. I don't know why the seats want to constantly, as soon as I move it. But it does look very, very good in my opinion. It shuts even with a click. As you can see, like, you have to slightly pull it, then open it, and it just doesn't shut fully. So it just like clicks in there. Let's do the engine now. Come on. Let me find where I can get my finger in. Okay, there we go. So this one also has that cool system like the other worlds do. Has like screw and the full system of the hood. What do you call it? Like there's also a spring in there. Can't really see it. It's on this side. I can maybe see it. I don't know. So spring system that holds the hood opened, and the engine details are very, very good. Don't know the value of this model right now. I usually check the values after, like when I'm posting the videos, because that I have to set everything up. As you can see, also the wheels do turn. This means the steering wheel turns, and the chair folds for every single time, and it does roll, and very, very well in that case. So yeah, the model is amazing, of course. Sadly, I have some issues, which I find almost on every, well, not every car. For now, I've found only on 2 cars since I've opened them to make a video on the car. But that's mostly probably because the last time I opened them was before I moved to the place I'm living now. And yeah, hopefully when I move again, this will not be an issue. But I had a recent thought of, since I have no place to display these big cars, I might start selling them away. Not all of them, but the ones that I have examples as in different scale, because this car I have, actually, I don't think I have this specific version. So, but I have 2 Auto Worlds and 164 that are the 66 Chevelle, but maybe not this version, because this one has a different front end. So I've been like working with this idea that if I got it in a smaller scale, I will get rid of the bigger scale car. Well, not get rid of, like, sell or something, because it takes, the small ones take less space than this big one, and I really have nowhere to display them right now. Maybe in the future, but who knows when that's gonna happen. And yeah, smaller ones are getting more and more, so I'm already doing my spring cleaning of the smaller cars already. So yeah, that'll be that. Hope you guys liked the video, liked the car and everything. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.